Alive.
Hi guys, Aloha Baby Alive is here. You won't believe what I just found on Amazon. It's Snacking Luke doll. I was just checking some comments this morning and Miss Princess commented and said that Snacking Luke is actually on Amazon right now. So I went and checked and sure enough, here he is. Right now only the blonde one is available as far as I can see. At the moment it's $59.95, which is a little too pricey for this doll. I wouldn't buy it just yet, but let's see if it's actually available. It says available from these sellers. Oh, I see. It says back order due in stocks July 16. So it's not available yet, but very soon it's going to be on Amazon, and I'm sure it's coming to Toys R Us and hopefully Target and other stores like Kmart. Let's take a look at him closer. So this is the box that he is coming in. He looks exactly like the Snacking Lilly except for the hairstyle. I hope they changed something on the back of him, like they have on Snacking Noodles, where you can just open the back without the screwdriver. That would be really nice. And another thing, I'm not sure if he's anatomically correct or not. I guess we'll find out when we get him. He is wearing a blue shirt with an airplane and blue shorts. And here it says Baby Alive Super Snack, Snacking Luke. And here's his magical spoon in the form of an airplane, very cute. And here's his foods and a little dish and a food mold and a diaper. And he is made for ages 3+. Here you can see all the accessories and everything closer. Here's his cute face. Here's his diaper, his food, his bowl, and his other accessories, his spoon. He's looking really cute. Reminds me of Caden with blonde hair and blue eyes. So this is exciting news, and I just wanted to share it with you because I wanted to keep you in the know about all the new Baby Alives that are coming out. And Snacking Luke was the last one to come out. After Snacking Noodles and Sweet Tears Baby, this is the only one doll that we were all waiting for. And he's finally here. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!